Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning posture. Feet hip width, knees soft, core engaged. This creates a stable base. Shift 60% of weight onto one foot, then gently release back to center. This initiates the hip drive. Once done, breathe and keep shoulders relaxed so movement stays isolated to hips. Make sure to visualize the pelvis as a loose bowl tilting rather than forcing the lower back. These small setup shifts matter because they let the hips move smoothly without strain. You now start the action. Push one hip out on a clear 1 count, then bring it back on a 2 count. This creates a controlled rhythm. Use the opposite shoulder to counterbalance. Drop it a touch so the torso feels connected. This prevents jerky motion. Exhale as you push the hip. Inhale as you reset. Breathing anchors timing. Once the pattern feels natural, increase the amplitude slowly, but keep the pelvis leading and the spine neutral, so the movement stays smooth and safe. You finish by refining. Soften transitions with tiny circular arcs, combining side-to-side sway into a flowing figure eight. Practice with steady counts, 1-2, 1-2, then let the timing relax into free flow. This builds fluidity. Make sure to keep knees soft so movement comes from the hips, not the lower back. If things feel stiff or painful, reduce range, do gentle hip swings, and re-engage the core. That troubleshooting step restores mobility and prevents tension from spoiling the smooth sway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.